What's up? I'm Jerry, and welcome to part 2 of Litecoin 101 tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a password to your Litecoin wallet and how to store your Litecoins on a jump drive. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have the Litecoin wallet installed. If you need any help with that, I've done a video tutorial on how to do that, so check that out in the description below. So once you have your Litecoin wallet installed and open, it should look like this. Alright, make sure it's synced with the network and that you see this green check mark right here at the bottom right of the window. So the first thing you want to do is add a password. Another way to say that is you want to encrypt your wallet. So we want to go to settings, click encrypt wallet, and then enter a password. And then you want to re-enter your password. Now I suggest that you follow these suggestions here and make sure it's more than 10 characters, and be sure to add some random characters besides just letters. Now it's very important that you remember this password. So if you think you're going to forget it, make sure you write it down, because if you forget this password, you won't be able to use any of the coins on your wallet. Alright, so once you got your password remembered or written down, click OK, and it's going to give you this warning message again. Warning: if you encrypt your wallet and lose your passphrase, you will lose all your Litecoins. You'll be able to see them, but you won't be able to spend them, okay? So once you've written it down, go ahead and click yes. And this is going to tell you that it needs to close the program in order to do it, so click OK. Alright, so now your password has been added. Now you want to reopen the Litecoin wallet. And wait for it to load up here. Once it's loaded, you'll notice there's a new icon down here with a padlock on it. That means your password has successfully been added. In order for you to spend any of your Litecoins, you're going to need to enter your password first. So this is pretty helpful in case anyone, let's say you leave your computer on and someone has access to your computer, they won't be able to send your coins unless they have your password. Now, you can receive coins without having to give out a password, but in order to send coins, you're going to need that password. Now, let me show you how to back up your coins on a jump drive. That way, if anything happens to your computer, all your coins aren't lost. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to add some coins in the wallet. That way we can see the balance that we're working with. So I'll be right back after I add some coins. Alright, I'm back, and as you can see, we've got one Litecoin in the wallet. So now let me show you how to back up your coin to a jump drive. First thing we need to do is we need to find the folder where this Litecoin is saved. Okay. So for Windows, we're going to click Start. Then down here where it says Search, you're going to type in $APPDATA. By the way, this is all one word. Then $Enter. And this is going to take you to the roaming folder. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to look for the folder that says Litecoin. There it is there. Let's double click and open that. And this is where all the data is stored for your Litecoin wallet. But we're only interested in one file, and that is the Wallet.dat file. This file is very important. You don't want to lose this, because this is where your coins and your password is stored. Okay? So what we want to do is we want to make a copy of this and put it on our jump drive. That way we can have access to our coins if the computer was to crash. Alright, so let me plug in my jump drive. Let's go to my computer here and plug it in. I recommend you use a blank jump drive. And this is the jump drive here. And what we want to do is let's right click, copy, and then go back to the jump drive, right click, and then paste. And now your Litecoins are on your jump drive. Now, just to show you that your Litecoins are actually stored in this file here, let's remove the jump drive. Alright, as you can see, the jump drive's been removed. And let's delete, first let's close out the Litecoin wallet here. And let's delete this Wallet.dat file. Let's delete. Now, let's reopen the Litecoin wallet. And as you can see, the balance is 0, so all the Litecoins are gone. Now, in order to restore your Litecoins into the wallet, let's reclose the wallet. Let's go back to the roaming folder. Now, each time you open the wallet, it does check to see if there's a Wallet.dat, and if not, it creates a new one. So that's why we have this one here. So we're going to delete this one. Let's plug back in the jump drive. And let's copy, right click, and copy, then right click, then paste. So now we've copied the wallet back into the roaming folder. Now let's reopen the Litecoin wallet software. And as you can see, the balance has been restored. Now you can make as many copies of this as you want, and you can put it on multiple jump drives and maybe store it in different locations. A nice thing to know is that as long as you've added a password to this file here, if someone was to find your jump drive, they wouldn't have access to your coins as long as you have a password. Now, if you happen to have any versions of this file out there without any passwords, people can still have access to your coins. But as long as you encrypt your wallet before you back it up, you don't have to worry. Now, if you're running an Ubuntu operating system, stay tuned and I'll show you how to find this file there. Alright, so now we are in Ubuntu, as you can see here. The first thing we want to do is we want to open up the Litecoin wallet. So let's navigate to the folder, double click on Litecoin Qt, and let's wait for it to load up. Alright, so now to encrypt the wallet, what you have to do is click Settings, Encrypt, and then type in your passphrase. Click OK. Then it's going to give you that same message. Make sure that you remember your password or that you write it down. Click yes. And then it's going to close, so click OK. Wait for this here to disappear. Okay, now let's reopen it. Alright, so now the password has been added and the Litecoin wallet has been encrypted. And you can tell because you can see this lock icon is here at the bottom right of the window. Alright, so now let me show you how to back up your coins to your jump drive. Just like in Windows, the Litecoin wallet stores the Litecoins on the Wallet.dat file. However, it doesn't store it in the same location. So let me show you how to navigate to the Wallet.dat file in Ubuntu. Alright, so what you want to do first is you want to go to your home folder. Now by default, it's in a hidden folder, and by default, Ubuntu doesn't let you see the hidden folders. So to view the hidden folders, you have to go here to File, Preferences, and then check this box that says Show Hidden and Backup Files. Click Close. Close that folder and reopen the home folder. And here you go. The .Litecoin is where the Wallet.dat file is stored. So let's open this up. And there you have it. And you want to take this file here and copy this to your jump drive. So let me put that jump drive back in that we had from previously. Alright. Now let's create a new folder here. Now what you want to do is you want to right click, click copy, right click, and then click paste. Alright, so now your wallet and your has been backed up, and your coins are now backed up to the jump drive. Now just to show you, let me show you how to restore your wallet. So let's close out of here. Now let's delete this Wallet.dat with the trash. Let's empty the trash. Now I'm going to restore this wallet with the one that we have from the Windows computer, the one that has one Litecoin in it. So let's copy, right click, paste. Now let's reload the wallet. Litecoin QT. And there you have it. This is the one Litecoin from earlier in this video. And as you can see, it's still encrypted. So in order for me to send these coins anywhere, I have to know the password. So yes, to answer your question, if you were wondering, yes, you can transfer this Wallet.dat file from different operating systems. Alrighty, so hopefully you now know how to add a password and encrypt your wallet, and how to back up your coins on your flash drive. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or tweet at me on Twitter. I'll leave my Twitter in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to leave a tip, I'll leave my tipping address below as well. Be sure to tune in for the next part where I'm going to show you the basics of sending and receiving Litecoins. And that concludes this video. I'm Jerry. Peace.